students, today I am here to tell you about a very easy methods for calculations. Let's start. That is, let's take 43 multiplied by 12. Now what we have to do is, first we will multiply 2 into 3. Is it? 2 3s are 6. Okay, now second step is cross multiplication. We will do cross multiplication. 4 2s are, that's 8. 1 3s are, that is 3. Now adding this 2, we get 11. Now for 11 we will write 1 over here and then we will multiply tens place. 4 1s are 4 and adding 1 to it we get 5 and we are here with our number. Isn't it easy?